Hey yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video, I this time I won't be doing the room tour video. I'm actually going to be doing a video of showing you guys some of my fidgets. So yeah guys, my phone gonna stay there, hopefully. Yep. Right. So I got this for Christmas or Christmas Eve. So it's not really a fidget, but you're not supposed like it should whistle because it's got that, but it doesn't whistle. Landed back in the box. Right. So I've got a banana stress ball. I actually decided because I've done a room tour video on my old channel, why not do it on my new channel, and also doing showing you all me fidgets video, because I could have also done that on the last channel, but it's just banana. But I actually am letting my mum use it for work or whatever, in case she just to mess about with it. I've got an Among Us plushie. I bought it in when I was on holiday somewhere. I think it was in Northern Wales or something. I've got a simple dimple. So that's a simple dimple. Wacky tracks. I got this big ball, but lost loads of the bits because I put because I used to have all my fidgets in this shelf right here, but this broke because of one of my mates, Luke. It all smashed, so then all the balls, like some of them, the balls that go inside, like them or whatever, went down the back there. So I can't get them. So that's why it's all shaky. Because what you're supposed to do is so you'll see this yellow sponge in the middle, and you're supposed to push it like this and push it into a new spot. But so it's like a fidget cube. Well, not cube, but ball. It's like fix. And I've got a keyring thing, whatever. Got this was actually one of my first fidgets. A seashell pocket. This was either my first one or me one of my first ones. Why is my mum, I don't know why, but my mum has put my dog's green ball inside. She does not know what's mine, does she? And I've got a fidget cube. Right there. Those are just things. What's this, guys? Ready? Nah, it's actually just me. I've got my light switch right there. I'm just pretending. Got these. And then these. Got an Among Us puppet. You know. Among Us puppet. And I've got this one. This is actually one of my favourites because it actually makes the proper popping sound on both sides. So that was this side, and now this side. See, and it still does it. It still pops. So that's quite cool. And also, guys, like I said in my last video, wish me and Daniel some good luck for swimming in year 5 in my school. So wish me and Daniel good luck. To like we can like swim like really good. But wish us good luck this week. So I've been swimming today in school, and also I will be tomorrow, which is Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday. We're not doing Friday. Then the week after it's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and yeah. But I've also got a gun poppet, and then obviously like I've got a hole in this one, but that's not the only one I've got a hole in, because I've also got a hole in this one, which is sad times. But then so this side isn't really the side that pops like loud, but I bought it somewhere because I really wanted one, but my mum didn't let me. But then I bought this for about like £5 somewhere, and then this side. So gun pocket. This one, so it can be sad, or so it can be sad, or angry. But yes, that's that one. Like, does my mum not know what to put in there? Some Lego stickers. Oops. And then this big one, so it can be daylight or night. So yeah, I don't know why, but it's all straight down there. Don't know, but that's not all. I've also got a Rubik's Cube, guys. So guys, I've also got a Rubik's Cube, but wait a minute, guys. Okay, so wait a minute. Right, so guys, that's not the only fidget I've got. They're not the only ones, because I've actually also got this marble pusher. So that's a cool one. I'm just keeping it in my bed in case I just want something to do if I'm bored, but I won't need it anymore, so I can take it down. Here we go. Right, so here's the marble pusher. So that's the marble pusher. I've also got some I've also got some more fidgets. So I've also got the rings to mess about with. So there, guys, I've got some of the rings. Got a Rubik's Cube fidget spinner, so it actually spins. I've made it this pattern, so it's like that. So it's like that, guys, and that. And so say it spins like that, and it actually comes solved, but also like, look, so I have it. So that side, put your fingers on. So guys, so spinning, no edits. Spinning, and stop. Right, and guys, I actually didn't get that too long ago, and I also didn't get these too long ago. Some poppet key rings, so that's cool as well. But that's all of your fidgets. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to my channel so you never miss another daily awesome video from from me. So without further ado, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. So peace out. Remember, wish me and Daniel good luck in swimming. So see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Peace out.